Okay, so this is a cute little baby doll bed, and today I'm going to show you how to make the blanket for this bed. I'll just take it out and show you what it's like. It's fairly square, like this, and so I'm going to press on and show you how we can make that. It's so simple to do, just with making some chain bridges and some slip stitches. So I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so this is how it looks. To start off, we're going to do 24 chain. So yarn over, make your slip stitch like that, tighten that up, and then we're going to make 24. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And carry on like that until you've done 24 stitches for your foundation row, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now I've made a chain length. We're going to hook into the 4th chain from the hook, which is this one, like that. Put both the loops on the hook to make your slip stitch. Pull it through, and on this row you can tighten it as you go along. You're going to do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Miss 2 chains, this one and this one, and go into the next one there. Pull it tight, 1, 2, 3. And into the next one. Pull it tight. 1, 2, 3. I'll come back when I've reached the other end. Okay, so we've reached the end here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Hook into the last hoop on the hook there. Make your slip stitch, and then you do a turning chain, which is 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, and you're ready to go into that first loop there, the very first loop. So you go like that, and then off you go again with your next row. 1, 2, 3, and then find your next bridge, which is there. Right. Okay, so you keep going until you've done about 13 rows. It's up to you. You can do more if you want your blanket to be bigger, but I do about 13 rows. And then you need to cut the yarn here, about there, and then to finish off you pull it through, and that's the pale pink there finished. So we're going to join on, we'll join on from this end to make another row here. So we're going to hook into that little space at the end there. So using another colour, we're going to join this on here. So put the yarn through the end of your hook like that and bring it through, and then we're ready to make your next row. Yarn over, do 3, 2, 3, find your first bridge, which is here, hook under, bring the yarn through and make your next bridge. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 rows are going to be exactly the same, so you're going to work your way along to the end, turn as we did before, and come back and do 3 rows. This is one that I did earlier, and you've got 3 rows there to make your top of your blanket. And that's where we finish. You will have some ends here which you will need to use with a needle. You'll need to use a large needle to thread these through and weave the ends in. You've got one here. And so that's your little blanket. You can decorate that with a flower or with some beads, and we'll show you how to do that in another video. Bye for now. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified if there's any more videos on the YouTube channel. And there's lots more videos for you to look at, learning bracelets, and I hope you'll have a look at those too. Bye for now.